morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to start with our new concept about circles. Okay, you can take page number 217. So, in the previous classes, we have just discussed about the square, rectangle, and their formulas. We have discussed like perimeter, area, everything we have discussed. Now we are going to deal with the shape circle. Circle is also a closed figure where we will be having a starting point as well as ending point. Yes, how you will draw the circle using a point and one small radius. Radius means you know, right? You will in compass, you will take few centimeter radius and you'll keep it in a point and you will draw one circle, right? So this is your point and this is from point to the circle, it is a radius. Okay, so double the radius, which means from here to here fully, from here to here, we will call it as diameter. We will call it as what? Diameter. So what are the things? From point to the circle point, we will say that as radius. From one point of the circle to another, which passes through the center, it is called diameter. Okay, so here we learned about radius, we learned about diameter here. Next, what is meant by circumference? Circumference is nothing but length of the boundary. It is like perimeter. Okay, it is like perimeter, not actually perimeter. So perimeter is actually for the polygons. Polygons means a figure which is made up of line segments like square, rectangle, like that. Those types of figures we will use the perimeter. But for the circle, it is like a closed figure, but it is not polygon. So for those types of figures, we will use the circumference. So if you take one thread and you keep there and you measure like this, and again if you stop here and take that thread and you measure the length of the thread, you will get the circumference of this circle. Okay, circumference is what? The distance along the circular region, this outside border. Length of this border is called the circumference. Okay, so if you divide the circumference by diameter, you will get the constant pi. Okay, when you divide the circumference and diameter, you will get the constant pi. What is the value of the pi? 3.14 or 22 by 7. Value of pi is what, children? 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay, because the pi is an irrational number. Okay, this is not 3.14, it is 3.14 to something, it is goes on. So I am taking 3.1 as for my convenience. Only 3.14 is the value of pi. So here the circumference of pi, circumference of the if you measure the circumference of the circle and if you substitute here and divide that value with the diameter length, you will get the pi value, which is 3.14. So that is what given in the tabular column, page number 218. Okay, in the page number 218, there is one tabular column, right? So what it is given? Circle number 1, radius it is given. Diameter means what, children? Double the radius. So 2 times of r is equal to diameter. Yes, if you r plus r, you will get diameter. So r plus r is 2r. Upper 2r is equal to diameter. So diameter if you know, and circumference if you know. Circumference, if you measure the length of this boundary, you will get the circumference, and if you divide the diameter value, you will get the pi. That is what given in the tabular column. See, diameter it is given, circumference it is given. If I divide these two, 22 by 7, which I am getting 3.14. So I will get the value of pi. So whenever if I get the value of pi, I can say that the given figure is a circle. Okay, so from this only I am going to find the formula for the circumference. Okay, Circumference I am denoting it by C, diameter as D is equal to pi. Circumference by diameter you will get pi, correct? So here what is diameter actually? 2r. 2 times the radius is nothing but diameter is equal to pi. So shall I bring this towards next side? C is equal to pi into 2r. Yes, because this 2r if it goes that side it becomes division. So pi into 2r. But circumference is equal to 2 pi r is the formula. Circumference is what? 2 pi r is the formula. Okay, circumference of the circle formula is what, children? 2 pi r. So whenever your if you get the circumference divided by diameter, you will get pi, children, which is 3.14. Don't forget that constant value. Using this C by D is equal to pi, we have find the formula of circumference as 2 pi r. So circumference of the formula, wherever they ask you the circumference of the circumference of this circle formula, you should say it is 2 pi r units. Understood? Next is your example problem, example number 12. Okay, the question is, what is the circumference of the circle? We should find the circumference of diameter 10 centimeter. What it is given? Diameter is 10 centimeter. So circumference of the circle is, what is the formula? You have to, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Or you can write pi d, because instead of this 2 and r we can write diameter, which is d, correct? Because d is equal to 2r. So instead of this 2r I am writing d. So now pi value is what? 3.14 into d value is what? 10. So 3.14 into 10 is what? 1 digit you will shift it. So 31.4 centimeter is the circumference of the circle formula. Okay. See, children, 2 pi r is the 2 pi r units. You don't forget to write this units. 2 pi r units. This 2r is the diameter. So instead of this 2 and r I have substituted d. Pi into d. Pi value is 3.14 into d value is 10. So if you multiply these two, 31.4 is the centimeter is the answer. Next, example number 13. What is the circumference of the circular disc? Circular disc means it is also in the shape of circular. Correct? It is in the shape of circle of radius 14 centimeter. Given radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Now what we have to find? As usual, circumference we should find it. Formula 2 pi r units. Okay. So 2 into pi value is 3.14 into r value is what? 14. 2 pi r. Okay. 2 into 3.14 into 14. Now I am just multiplying. 14 into 2 how much? 4 2s are 8, 28. 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 28. Now 314 into 28. 8 4s are 32. 11. 8 3s are 24, 25. 4 2s are 8, 2. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6. 2, 9, 7, 8. So where the decimal point should keep two numbers after this. So 87.92 centimeter is the circumference of this circle. 87.92 is the circumference of the circle. Okay. Next, what is the next problem? See, in that question they have given 88. 87 in the textbook the answer is given as 88. So the 87.92 is nothing but approximately equal to 88. Correct? Okay. So you can write like that, approximately it is equal to 88 centimeter. No problem if you write this or this. Anything it is same only. Okay. Now the radius of the circular pipe is 10 centimeter. Circular pipe. Okay. So radius is equal to 10 centimeter. What is the length of the tape required to wrap once? Okay. So one pipe is there, children. This is the circular pipe. So we are wrapping it with the tape in this border. So only one time you are strapping. So which is nothing but the one time if you strapping around a circular pipe, what does the meaning? It is the circumference. Okay, one time if you are wrapping over the circular pipe, only one time it is circumference. So 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 into, yeah, we have to take the pi value as 3.14. See children, if it is given that we have to take pi value as 3.14, you should take pi value as 3.14. If they didn't mention, you can take either 3.14 or 22 by 7. Anything you can take it, okay? Into r value is 10, okay? 314 into 2 is 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6. 6.28 into 10. This into 10 means 62.8. Answer is 62.8 centimeter is the circumference of that circular pipe. Circumference of the circular pipe. Next, perimeter of the given shape. One shape is given in the question that we should find the perimeter. Okay. So, first, you know what is the perimeter of the circle? See children, this is not a circle. This is one semicircle. This is another one semicircle. This is one another one semicircle. This is another semicircle. See, it is not circle children. It is semicircle. So actually, circumference of the circle is what? 2 pi r or pi d. Yes, 2 pi r or pi d. Okay, you know that two formulas are there for the circumference of the circle. For semicircle, semicircle means what? It is half of the circle, correct? So 1 by 2 into pi d. In this formula itself, I have given 1/2. Half of the circumference of the circle. Half of the circumference of the circle. So what it is given? Diameter. This semicircle, this is one full circle, correct? So if this region alone, if I am considering, it is semicircle. So if this length is given, that is actually your diameter, correct? This is one whole circle. This shaded region is a semicircle. 14 centimeter is the diameter of the semicircle. Okay. So 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into diameter value is what? 14. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 21. 11 into 2 is 22 centimeter is the semicircle circumference of one semicircle. Okay. Circumference of one semicircle. This one alone I have found as 22 centimeter. When you want to find the circumference of this these three means what you will do? Perimeter of the given figure means you have this semicircle alone, it's not enough. This one you want, this one you want, this one you want. So 22 into 4 if you multiply, 88 is the perimeter of the given figure perimeter of the what? It is the perimeter of the given figure. Listen children, you know circumference of the circle formula is pi d. But here they didn't give you the circumference of the circle. They have given the semicircle. Okay, so first one semicircle if I am taking, it is half of the pi d. Half 22 by 7 into d. Substituted, I have find the semicircle of one figure. When you want to find the semicircle of all the 4 figure, into 4 if you do, you will get the perimeter of the given figure. Understood? Next is your 16th problem. Sudhanshnu divides a circular disc of radius 7 cm into 2 equal parts. Okay, Sudhanshnu means one person is dividing a circular disc. This is in circle shaped disc that is having a radius 7 cm into 2 equal parts. I am dividing this into 2 parts, which means this is one shape, this is one shape. I am dividing this into 2 shapes. Okay. Now we are going to find the perimeter of each circular shaped disc. I have to find the perimeter of this one as well as this one, each. Okay. Now what is the given? Radius is given, correct? So if you have a radius, what is the circumference of the circle? circumference of circle when radius is given means 2 pi r units. Okay, 2 pi r units is the formula when you have a circumference of the circle with radius. When diameter means pi d. Here radius means 2 pi r. Okay, so here when it comes to semicircle, semicircle is actually half of the circumference of the circle. Correct? This one is circle, this is half. So this two will get cancelled. So pi r. For semicircle, when radius is given, this is what the circumference formula. Pi r is the circumference of the semicircle when radius is given. So this one circumference of the semicircle when diameter is given. Okay, you check the formulas, children. When radius is given, this is what the circumference of the semicircle. So what is the radius of this? Pi into 7. Pi value is what? 22 by 7 into 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So 22 units is the circumference of the semicircle. Circumference of the semicircle is the 22 units. Okay, so now we have to find the circumference. Okay, circumference of the semicircle it is given. So not only this one you should find, you should add this also to find the full semicircle. Okay, see children, only this border we have found. We should find this border. So along with this 22, what is the border of this? This is actually radius 7 centimeter. So if this is 7 now, this is also 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So 22 plus 14 is what? 36 centimeter. Listen children, only this border is given which is 22 centimeter. We should add this also. If from this to this, if it is 7 centimeter, then this is also 7 centimeter. 7 plus 7, 14. Upper 22 plus 14 is 36 centimeter is the total perimeter of this semicircle. So this is the circumference, children. This outer border is just circumference. If you add this also, then we get the perimeter. Okay, understood? We are going to deal with the area of the circle. Okay, last problem we have discussed what is the circumference of the circle, right? So we are going to now discuss the area of the circle. Area means what? We are going to deal with the region inside this figure, right? Inside this, what is the region is there? That is called the area. Circumference means border, outside. Area means inside. Okay, see, this is one circle that strips the circle. They have converted like this. They have removed and they have made it into a shape of rectangle. Okay, so this down region has become the half of the circumference. So this has actually this radius. Okay, so this down region is the circumference and this is your radius. So this area of this circle has become flattened. They have converted them flat surface and they have made that as shape of rectangle. Okay, that region I have made it into a rectangle. So what we are getting? Down we are getting half circumference, half of the circumference, and region radius. So if you want to find the area, if you multiply this region, length into breadth, like this only you will multiply, right? Length, breadth, like that only you multiply. So if you multiply like that, what we will get, children? Actually in one side we have half circumference, correct? One side we have half circumference into radius, correct? So if you have a area, if then the area of the circle is given, we are supposed to multiply the length and breadth of that rectangle. What is given in the length side? Half circumference it is given. What is given in the breadth side? It is given as radius. Okay, so in that figure, one shape is given like this, right? In that figure, here this half circumference it is given. In this it is given as radius. So if you multiply this region and this region, you can find the area of the circle. Okay, so what is circumference of the circle formula? 2 pi r into radius. 2 cancel, then pi r into r square. So area of this circle formula is what? Pi r square units. Pi r square units. Areas, listen children, 2 cancel. Circumference formula 2 pi r. Radius r. 2 cancel. So pi r into r square. So area formula of the circle is what? Pi r square unit. Pi r square units is the area of the circle. So we can easily find the area of the circle formula. Understood? This is your example number 17 children. Find the area of the circle of radius 30 centimeter. Area means what? The region inside the circle, right? This is a circle. This region inside the circle is nothing but your area. You have know the formula, that is pi r square units. Find the area of the circle of radius. Radius is given as 30 centimeter. So what is the area of the circle children? Pi r square. Pi is what? 22 by 7, or you can write 3.14. Okay, r square means 30 the whole square. Correct? 22 by 7 into 30 the whole square means 3 3s are 9, 900. Okay, 22 by 7 into 900. So now can we multiply this? 22 into 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 19. So 19800 divided by 7. Okay, I am just dividing it. 19800 divided by 7. Just multiplying it. 7 2s are 14, 5, 1, 8. 7 8s are 56, 2, 0. 7 2s are 14, 6, 0. Then what is the next thing? 7 8s are 56, 4.0. 7 5s are 35, 5 enough. So answer is 2828.5. So answer is what children? 2828. So 2828.5 centimeter square. So this answer is actually approximate, okay, because this 22 by 7 I told you it is approximately equal to 3.14. So here they have asked you to use 3.14. So can we use like that? Yes, we don't want to use this 22 by 7. Instead of that I am writing, instead of pi, 3.14 into r square means 30 square. So 3.14 into 900. Okay. So 314 into 9. 9 4s are 36. 12, 1 9 3s are 27, 28. Apo after then 2 zeros will come. 900 means then after 2 digit if you keep decimal point you will get 2826 centimeter square. Did you see this? When you are using 22 by 7 you are getting one answer. When you are using 3.14 you are getting another one answer. So if they ask you to use 3.14 you use it. Otherwise you use 22 by 7. Okay. Next is your 18th problem. Next problem is your 18th problem. Diameter of the circular garden is, diameter is given as 9.8 meter. So what is the radius? Diameter divided by 2, because 2r is equal to d. So if you want to find radius, r is equal to d by 2. So 9.8 divided by 2 you will keep it. So you can cancel this. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, remainder 0.29 are. Above 4.9 centimeter is your radius. Now if you want to find the area, what is the formula? Pi r square. Our pi value is what? 3.14 into r square means 4.9 the whole square. So 4.9 means 49 into 49. 9 9s are 81. 9 4s are 36. 44. 9 4s are 36. 4 4s are 16. 19. 1 10. 14, 1, 2. About 2004. Right. So next is your Next I have just multiplied 4.9 into 4.9 into 314. 4, 0, 4 fours are 16, 4 twos are 8, 9, then 1, 0, 4, 2, then 3, 0, 4 threes are 12, 3 twos are 6, 7, 4, 1, 9, then 13, 5, 7. So 75.39 something you are getting. Okay, listen children, here I have used the pi value as 3.14, that's why I am getting 75.3914. okay, I am just getting the value somewhat different. Okay, see here 2 points, here 2 points, so you will get here 75.3914 centimeter square is the answer. 75.3914 is the diameter of, is the area of the circle. Listen children, first you are multiplying 4.9 into 4.9, I am getting 24.01. Then if I multiply 24.01 into 3.14, I am getting 75.3914 centimeter square as the radius. See, in the question they have used, the textbook they have used pi value as 22/7. So you are getting different answer. Okay, understood? 19th problem. The adjoining figure means the given figure shows two circles. There are two circles. This is one circle, this is one circle. Okay, with same center, because which means, see, using this center I have drawn one small circle. Using the same center I have drawn one big circle. Okay, that is called as same center. The radius of the larger circle. So from here to this distance, what is the radius? 10 centimeter. Then radius of the smaller circle is 4 centimeter. Find the area of the larger circle, smaller circle. We should find the area of the larger circle first. So what is the radius of the larger circle? A radius of larger circle is 10 centimeter. Upper area is what? Pi r square units. So pi is 3.14 into r square means 10 square. So 3.14 into 10 square means 100. So into 100 means 2 digit you will shift it. So 314 square centimeter is the area of larger circle. A problem I have found. B problem, area of smaller circle. So radius of smaller circle is what? 4 centimeter. Our area is pi r square. 3.14 pi value. R square means 4 square. So 3.14 into 4 fours are 16. 314 into 16. 6 fours are 24. 8. 6 threes are 18. 4 1 3. 4 12 10 5. So 50.24, 2 digit you will keep decimal point. 50.24 square centimeter is the area of the smaller circle. Larger circle area, smaller circle area. Now shaded area between the two circles. So this is what the shaded area. Okay, this is what shaded in the textbook, correct? This region is actually shaded. So if you want to find the shaded region, if you subtract this smaller area from the larger circle, you will get the shaded region. Upper shaded region, how you will get? Larger circle minus smaller circle. Okay, larger circle minus smaller circle. What is larger? 314 minus smaller is 50.24. Yes. So if you subtract this 314 minus 50.24, 3, 9, 10, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1, 6, So answer is 263.76 centimeter square. This is what the area of the shaded region. If you subtract this larger circle minus smaller circle, you will get the shaded region area. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.